Hi, hi, my name is Gustavo Castillo. In this video I'm going to show you an intrusion in Windows 10 from Kali Linux. So, first let's see the tools we need in Kali Linux. First we do an update with apt-get update. This maybe takes a while. Um, Second, we will install the monocomplete package to use Siricato. Siricato is a payload generator. Okay, this is already installed. Now I'm going to clone a repository. This repository allows me we have an script siricato.sh. We have to change the permissions because we need an executable file. .sh. Okay. Now we can run this file, and I already did it. This is the output when I run this script. This is because I didn't have the dependencies. That's why I'll download. That's why I'll install mono complete package. After that, I could proceed. When I run the script, ask me for the select a payload number. I choose number 1, localhost. I saw it with another Windows terminal with itconf. This is the IP address, the local IP address for this machine. And I set this localhost and the local port 444. Do you want to change the payload icon? Yes. Do you display an error message? Yes. The title of error message is lab 6 hacking. The error message is your system is vulnerable. Then the output file name uh, first payload, and after I wait a few seconds, the payload is generated. So this is the route where the the payload file we can find it. This, do you start the payload handler? Yes, and start the Postgres that service. And this is the result. The next thing is start the Windows virtual machine. I'm going to pause the video a moment. This command allows me to put a server here so I can go to browser in Windows 10 and download the file .exe. This file I can download using the browser. This virtual machine has no active Windows Defender in real time. We download the file using the IP address of Kali Linux in port 8000. This is the payload file. I will download. This Windows machine has no any protection. Well, I was wrong. It has security windows active. So this is the configuration. Because this allowed me download the file payload. We download again. This file can send in a email, and a user can download from an email. We're going to execute this application. This is the message that I set in Kali Linux. Apparently nothing has happened, but we will see in Kali Linux. We will see the one session opened. So we made an intrusion here. Here we have a session opened. We can use this command. This is the Windows 10 domain install. Is this? This is the directory I've created recently. This is the name. Is the same name. Okay. Now we're going to active this tool. We can check any viruses using Windows security and try to delete the malware installed before. This is why it's very important to have a antivirus and firewall active. Thank you. The references, a video on YouTube and a GitHub repository. Thank you.